This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 37. In this lesson, we will continue to use the area model of multiplication to multiply two-digit numbers. The directions say solve 12 times 14 using 4 partial products and 2 partial products. I'm going to start by showing the 4 partial products method. We've taken our problem, 12 times 14, and we've written each factor in expanded form. 12 is the same as 10 and 2. 14 is the same as 10 and 4. By setting it up this way, I now have 4 rectangles, and I need to find the area of each rectangle. The big rectangle is a 10 by 10 rectangle. 10 times 10 is 100. Next to it is a 10 by 4 rectangle. 10 times 4 is 40. Down below I have a 2 by 10 rectangle. 2 times 10 is 20. And the last rectangle is a 2 by 4 rectangle. 2 times 4 is 8. So there are my 4 partial products, and I'm going to copy those over onto the vertical multiplication chart. This list at the side is telling me the order in which to write my products. First, I'm going to write what I got when I took 4 ones times 2 ones. 4 times 2 is 8. Then I took 4 ones times 110. That was here. 4 times 10 is 40. After that, we have 110 times 2 ones. 110 times 2 ones is 20. And 110 times 110 is 100. So there are my 4 partial products. I'll add those for my final answer of 168. So that's the method showing 4 partial products. Now I'll show you what it looks like if you're going to just do it using 2 partial products. So I had the same problem as before, only this time on the side I did not break the 12 apart. I just left it as 12. That means that my big rectangle is a 12 by 10. Well, 12 times 10 is 120. Next to it I have a 12 by 4 rectangle. 12 times 4 is 48. Off to the side, I'm going to write what I get when I multiply my 4 ones times my 12 ones. Well, if I think 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 2 is 8, so the total was 48. Below it, I'm going to write what I get when I multiply my 110 times my 12 ones. 110 times 12 ones is 120. Because 110 times 10 is 100, 10 times 2 is 20, combine those I get 120. Add the partial products, and again we get 168. So you can see how we're slowly leading the students into using the standard algorithm for multiplication.